Holy moly. Where did Kirk go? Happy Thursday, y'all. I got my car washed this morning. And honey, we having some kind of weather out here. Baby, it's starting to rain. We got dust storms. We got this windy is all get out. Y'all, I'm going to show it to you instead of tell you about it. Look at there. And that's because they building something over here. I just washed my car this morning. Really? My car been dirty for months. And that's because of where I work at. I'm like, man, and I hope the volume is up, because honey, if it ain't, look at that. We got rain. We got dust. Just messing up my car. But y'all, I'm on my way to work. And I pray that I make it there. Baby, they got the old PT Cruiser. Yeah, honey, I used to have one of those. People be frowning on them cars, but baby, them cars is amazing. Yes, it is. That PT Cruiser is amazing, honey, but you know what? That girl got a lot of sensors in it. And don't nobody want to be bothered with that. Ooh, Lord, I just hope don't no trees fall down. Or no power lines. Look at this. Look at this. I should be at home. I gotta go finish out my day. Yeah, honey. I'll turn y'all back around shortly. But yeah, I gotta go finish out my day, y'all. Yes, I do. And this the first day. Tomorrow be the first day start. No, Monday. Be on vacation, spring break, baby. I got this old t-shirt on. Wow. I just washed my car this morning. Wiped it down real good with the window cleaner and everything. Y'all. They said we was gonna get some high winds up to 50 miles an hour. Honey, I ain't never seen it like this on this end. Normally, the weather like this be back behind me in the East Valley. West Valley don't get hit hard like this. Or it be out farther west. And they were saying that if you get on the freeway, take it slow. Take it slow, because your car gonna be blowed. I don't get on the freeway. These damn people like maniacs. They maniacs on the street. I don't know what that was, just fell. Hope it ain't no bug. Cause honey, Arizona, they ain't used to no rain. And honey, they can't drive in it. But me, where I come from, all 4 seasons, baby. All 4 seasons. Drive. And I have drove in blizzards where it was blackout. Wasn't nobody on the street but me. And that's the truth. Wasn't nobody out there but me. My silly self. Yep, I had me and my friend, we had went over by this dude's house, and he had his brother there. This is story time, y'all. I hope y'all can hear me, because I didn't check the volume. This is story time. Now, she knew the guy that I was supposedly talking to. She knew him. Okay. But she didn't know his brother. Why they gotta do all that? Why? Just ignorant. Okay, so anyway, we went over there and it had snowed already. You know, we had snow on the ground and stuff. You know, but I didn't see in the forecast where it's supposed to blizzard. You know. And I hit that old damn, looking at that damn car over there. Okay. We were sitting up there, you know, talking. His brother was getting acquainted with her, and the dude was trying to get acquainted with me. But I looked at the guy. I was like, I am not interested. I am not interested. And you know, 2 women, 2 guys up in an apartment. You know, I'm like, this don't sit right with me. So as time went by, you know, we had like, you know, a couple glasses of wine. You know, we was talking and stuff. And so the brother just kindly excused himself, and they went down in the basement. And I was like, oh. So me and old boy, we stayed up there in the kitchen. We was talking and stuff. And you know, it was getting to be after midnight. Yeah. Which, you know, I should have been on my way home. And so he was like, well, you know, it's cold outside. You know, she's downstairs. And you know, I'm tired. I want to go to bed. And I'm like, well, okay, well, I can, you know, stay down here on the couch or whatever. And he was like, no, you know, you can come upstairs with me. He said, I promise you I won't bother you. You know, I ain't like that. I'm not that type of guy. And I'm like, okay. So it's getting to be like 1 o'clock in the morning. And I ain't heard her come upstairs yet. I'm like, damn, I hope she ain't like that, you know. I ain't hear nothing. I'm trying to listen, you know, trying to hear if I see. Like, did she go down there? Did she go to sleep or what? And so we got upstairs and stuff, and we had a nice bedroom. It was clean and stuff, and you know, he got in the bed. He was like, oh well, he got in the bed. And so I got on the other side of the bed, and I kept my clothes on. And you know, he was like, well, you can get comfortable. I was like, no, I said, no, I'm not about that life. You know, I'm not about that. And so, you know, he tried to make a move, and I was like, no. And so, you know, his phone rung, and look at my car. It's muddy, man. Yeah, he tried to make a move, and I told him no. So his phone rung, and honey, he got on the phone. He just, you know, I wasn't even in the room no more. And I was fine with that. So I said I was going to lay over there, and I'm looking, it's like 2:30. And I got him, looked out the window. It was blizzarding outside. I'm like, oh my God. Snow coming down crazy. Baby, I got my stuff. That man was on the phone. I don't know if he thought if I was going to the bathroom or what. Honey, I got my stuff, and I went right on outside. And I had to clean my car off out there all by myself. All by myself. Honey. And he didn't not once open up the door to say, hey, where you going? Why you leaving in this bad weather or anything? Honey, he ain't did nothing. She ain't did nothing. I said, honey, I'm going home. You know, I ain't about this. I'm going home. So, honey, I got in my car. I let it warm up a little bit. And I was on them streets at almost 4 o'clock in the morning by myself. I hate when they make them turns, they see you coming. Old raggedy car. Yep, by myself. I was creeping along, honey. Yes, I was. So this weather here, it done cleared up a little bit. Let me show y'all. Well, it done cleared up. It's just, you can still see the dust. You can still see the dust up high. But back where I came from, it was pretty bad. So I think it's heading east. It's still windy. But because I'm going over to another city, it can be pretty bad out there. But y'all, this is disrespectful. Look at my windshield. Can y'all see my windshield? And that's the thing. You get your car washed, the sky just spit on you, man. I need some air. It's hot in here. Oh my word. Then I gotta go past another construction zone. And I know it's gonna be dusty over there. Okay, y'all. Okay. Yeah, it's stormy over here to my right and to behind me. See, the thing about Arizona, where we live at, we live farther west now. Because when we was living east, honey, boy, that we was getting hammered by them storms, baby. I got caught up in a microburst. That thing was moving my car. I kind of got scared. And I ended up had to go park behind Arby's because the wind got so high. I'm like, baby, I had to call my son. I told honey, I don't think I'm going to make it home. This car sliding and rocking and carrying on. Yeah, I had to go park. I'm like, I'm going to go park behind a structure because I was trying to get into Target. I was gonna park my car and run in Target, but y'all, it was raining so freaking hard. It was, I mean, I'm like, I'm not gonna get out this car. I parked my car behind Arby's. I got close to the building, and yeah, that took that wind off of me and took that water off of me. Because honey, it was a microburst. That's like the beginning of a tornado, you that don't know. But we don't get tornadoes, we get the winds. And I'm like, okay, we done moved over here, farther west. Baby, we ain't getting no rain. We get rain every now and then. Probably a good dropping every 2-3 years. Now, normally when we have dust storms and it's high winds, it brings the rain. But lately, we've been having high winds and dust storms. We ain't been getting no rain. But this is high. Because it's rocking that construction sign. This is high. And in some cases where I used to work, girl, that wind took out a whole freaking block. The street that I had to go up, 35th Street, I know y'all don't know what that is, but the whole 35th Street was that 27. No, it was 27. It took out a whole block, y'all. It took down trees. Oh, damn. I'm rocking, girl. It took down trees. It took down power poles. The whole block. I think when one or two failed, they yanked the rest of them down. Honey, my car moved. And this is a light car too. It's very light. And I'm like, what's going on today? I'm gonna let y'all see again because it's looking rough. Ooh, it's like white out further down. I gotta get to work, y'all, because there's nobody there to do my job. Oh, let me raise my windows up, because honey, I have a hard time breathing in this stuff. Yes. And this is also a construction zone down here. They are building houses, so that's why it looks more dusty. Cars being blown. Okay, you should have been gone. Okay, now you, come on. Come on. Oh, well, hell what you did. You don't know your right of ways. You supposed to left. Uh-oh, sorry about that, y'all. They don't know they four ways out here. And she's still sitting there. Dust, y'all. Ooh, that was a bug. A leaf or something. That looked like a bug, and they hopped across the way. Arizona having a dust storm. And it basically be the dust that comes up off the ground, out of the construction zones. It ain't just coming down from the sky. Man, go please. They get scared, y'all. They get scared. The dust, it can sit high. It can sit high up in the sky, and the wind will bring it down. Cause sometimes it be looking foggy. I need to turn my air conditioner on. Some kind of air in here. I did change my air filter. Now them clouds up ahead, those look like rain clouds. It could be raining, because that's where I got to go. Over there by that mountain, if you can see it. No, that's a hill. The mountain is past the hill. Ain't no need of me cleaning off my windshield. Crosswinds. Gotta worry about the trucks. They be top heavy. Okay, y'all. Trying to make it on in. Am I getting rain again? Or is that dust? That's dust hitting the windshield like rocks. And I don't even see where it come from. I guess it's all over, huh? Ooh, and I wanted to wear me a baseball cap, y'all. I just washed my hair. It's alright, I had to wash it again tonight. I wanted to go to the store, cause y'all, I got a taste for me some beans. Yeah, but I wanted to make me some Hoppin' John. Y'all know what Hoppin' John is? My sister was talking about, yeah, you make it with black eyed peas. That ain't how I make it. That ain't how I make it. I guess you make it the way you want to make it. Because I seen the recipe on Good Morning America. They had this Jamaican woman on there. And I seen that recipe years ago. I mean, like, about 12 years ago. I don't even know if I was in Arizona when I seen that. Because I've been here at Grip. And I'm ready to go. I am. I'm tired of living in the desert. It have its perks, y'all. It do. It have its perks. But you ain't got to be worried about no snow. We don't get no tornadoes. We get the high winds. We get high winds. It can surprise you. One year when my son came down here, I think that was 2013 or 14, it snowed. It snowed over there where we was living at. I would say it hailed. We got hail. And it was enough of it where the kids can make little snowmans out of it. Yeah. And it did cover up the grass, so yeah. And we have had, like I said, microbursts, extremely high winds, torrential rains. You know, we've been blessed the last 2 years. But honey, this is March. And ain't no telling, they be putting all these chemicals and crap up in the sky. Honey, ain't no telling what's gonna come down the pipeline like that. I think the mountain making that cloud look dark. Yeah, it look rough over there. Look like it's doing some damage up on that mountain. Oh, I wish y'all could see this mountain. When I turn down this street, I'm gonna turn y'all back around so y'all can see this mountain. Honey, it look like smoky clouds. Look like they ash dirty clouds. Oh boy, what time is it? Oh shoot. Yeah, we doing good. We doing good, considering. Okay, I'm gonna turn y'all around. But y'all can see this dirty cloud. Wait till I turn the corner. I guess you can feel or see the vibration of the car. These people don't change lanes right. That's why they be having accidents. Okay. Look at that cloud, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Can y'all see that? Let me get past the trees. I go slow. Can y'all see that? How dark that is? Oof. Can you see how dark that is? Wow. Okay. Turn y'all back around. Look at here. I want to tell y'all thank y'all for hanging out with me on this stormy Thursday. I got to get over here and finish making my daily wages, finish out my day. Well, tomorrow, Monday, I'll be on vacation. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to find me a spa, y'all. A spa. Get my fingers done, my toes done. We're going to see how it come out. It all depends on what my mood is. Okay? So I appreciate y'all riding along with me, and I'll see y'all in another video.